Welcome to Mama Bill's Kitchen. All dairy products where I live are expensive, so I was thrilled when I figured out that I can make my own sour cream, also known as cultured cream. I use this in beef stroganoff, New York-style cheesecake, and for other recipes. You can use it to top your tacos or baked potatoes, make onion dip for your chips, and in a multitude of other decadent and delicious recipes. This tastes better than commercial sour cream. It is also about 1/3 the cost of the store-bought product. All you need to make this is a clean jar and 3 ingredients. Here are the ingredients you need to make this recipe. Whole milk, lemon juice, heavy cream. Now let's make it. Bring the cream and milk to room temperature. Temperatures from 20 to 30 C, 68 to 86 F, are fine, but around 22 C, 72 F, is best. Combine the milk and lemon juice in a jar or other sealable container, close it, and shake vigorously. Let the milk and lemon juice stand for about 10 minutes. The acidic lemon juice causes the casein protein in the milk to denature, forming clumps known as curd that will add texture to the liquid. Add the cream to the milk and lemon juice, close it and once again shake vigorously. Replace the container cover with a cheesecloth, towel, or paper cover so the mixture can breathe. Why you need to allow this to breathe is a mystery to me because Lactococcus lactis bacteria is anaerobic. I did find a small hint that there are oxygen reduction reactions occurring, so I presume that's why you need to let it breathe. Allow the mixture to stand at room temperature for 12 to 48 hours where it will ferment. Fermentation is faster at a higher temperature, but typically expect 15 to 18 hours unless the room is very cold. The naturally occurring Lactococcus lactis bacteria in the milk converts lactose sugar into lactic acid, thus creating that sour flavor. Commercial sour cream is usually produced using laboratory-supplied bacteria to speed up the process, and probably also contains a thickening agent. Replace the cloth cover with a proper cap, and chill the sour cream for at least 3 hours before using. The sour cream will thicken more when it is chilled. I've been experimenting with using richer cream along with more milk, and so far the results are good. My fat content is still 25 to 28% compared to 20% for store-bought sour cream. Therefore, I can still potentially thin this a bit more, and I will get more sour cream at a lower cost. Interesting facts. Cream contains almost no casein protein, and almost no lactose sugar. These components come from the milk. Lactococcus bacteria is thermoduric, meaning it survives the pasteurization process. Don't worry, this is a good bacteria that's necessary to digest milk. But remember to keep your milk in the refrigerator so it won't spoil. Now I'm hungry. Let's eat. Thanks for watching. For more recipes and cooking tips, please visit mamabills.com. Finally, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and leave us suggestions for other recipes and cooking tips in the comments.